Hey guys, this is Brian with the Seat Shop. We're doing an install here on a Chevy 2003 through 2006 model. This is the Tahoe. It's pretty much the same for the Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, Yukon XL, Escalade. There's a connection underneath the seat that gets missed a lot. And if you miss this connection when you put the seat back in, plug it all back up, your airbag light will stay on. It's just kind of hard to describe over the phone, so when I was taking this apart, found this clip here, wanted to take a quick video to show you where it is. So here's the underneath side of the seat. Right here there's a little two-prong plug right here, and there's a blue connection little thing that catches here. It's like a two-step safety clip, so that goes in, so the clip can't come undone. And then there's a little, you push right here, and this connection will come out right there. So there's the connector right there. But when you're putting everything back together, it's not like the equivalent of like one of these big plugs up here that is huge and you can tell is missing. This is all tucked up underneath here, and that little clip's kind of tucked away. But this is usually always the one that gets forgotten. I've missed it several times, and once you start the truck up, your airbag light goes on. That doesn't mean that necessarily has to do with the airbag. It's just if any connection is not connected, when you fire up the truck and the ECM shoots out a signal to the seats to make sure everything's right. If something's disconnected, the first thing it does is throw the airbag light on. So airbag lights goes off. If your airbag light's on, that's the first thing to check. You can leave the seat in the truck to check it. Just unbolt the two front nuts and the rear bolts. Just lean the seat back towards the second row, and you can get on the floorboard and you can get in there to grab that. So you don't have to pull the seat completely out. Just unbolt it and lean it to the back, and you can get to that plug. If you got any other questions or any other tech tips, check us out on TheSeatShop.com. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. My name is Brian. If you got any leather needs for your truck or SUV, give us a shout. 214-710-2565 or TheSeatShop.com.